Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are going to make Muttar Paneer. Okay, for this recipe we're going to need paneer, which is Indian cheese, peas, onion, ginger, garlic, tomatoes, heavy whipped cream, green chili pepper, salt, turmeric powder, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, black pepper, cumin seeds, green cardamom, cloves, red chili powder, Garm Masala, Methi leaves or fenugreek leaves, and oil. Alright, so we're gonna turn on the stove, adding oil, adding garlic cloves, because we roughly chopped them, because I'm gonna go to grind them, after that blend them, so we don't need to make really fine. I think my oil was not ready. We're adding a ginger, that's also roughly chopped. As I said, I'm gonna blend them, so we don't need to be really make a fine chopping. Okay, so we're adding our onions. We don't have to make a golden brown for this recipe because still we are going to cook this again, so we not really need to make it brown. Adding tomatoes. Even we didn't add any spice yet, but it's beautiful aroma, you can smell it. At this point we're not adding any spices and it's ready. I am going to blend them to make a puree, then I will be back. Okay, my stove is on, so I'm gonna add some oil. We're adding bay leaf, green cardamom, and we have a cinnamon stick, cloves, and some black pepper. I'm gonna saute for just maybe a minute or so. When you add dry spices, it's add a really nice flavor to it. I always like it. I'm adding a cumin seeds, green chili pepper, turmeric powder, salt. Okay, so now we are adding our puree, which is we made it before and I blended those ingredients. Careful, when you do that, you can lower the heat if you want to. At this point, we can add some water, and I wanted to wash this blender because I just doesn't want to waste any food. It has a lot of stuff in there, so I didn't want to waste it. So you can add water if you need more, you can do that, and, but I like the way how it is. This is one of my favorite dish and I love it. We're going to add peas. You can use fresh if you have it. I did not, so I used frozen and defrost them, or whatever you call. We can add a little bit red chili powder. Well, I'm going to use whole thing. And we're adding fenugreek leaves or methi leaves. This is a green fenugreek leaves, so you dry them. If you have a fresh, you can use it, but that taste is a little different than this one. So I always use this one. Some people called it kasuri methi, but whatever it is, just add really nice flavor and aroma. So we're gonna cook it for a little bit covered, so we can lower the heat and let it simmer for a little bit. Alrighty, let's check it. Looking so good. So we're going to add paneer. You can make slices any size, but that looks good. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Just made me hungry. I love this dish so much. Sometimes you can fry the paneer pieces. For this recipe, I don't want to choose it because I love the way how it is, but I will upload that video as well. Because it's gonna be extra rich, I'm going to add a cream in there, so I didn't want too much richness in there. So I will show you when I make another video on just differently made Muttar Paneer. Not this one, but the different. For that you don't need gravy or anything, and I will show you how that does. And that's also very yummy, but I love this one too. Look at this beautiful color. If you don't want to add the whipped cream, you can skip it, but it's just change the game once you add it. Going to add a Garm Masala. You don't have to. If you don't like it, you don't have to add it. It's very good even without that. Look at this. Oh my god, it's just looking so beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to add a whipped cream. The trick is here, you not like leave the whipped cream in there. Sometimes it's turned to curds. You don't have to. You add it and you mix it. So that way you don't have a curd in your gravy, because the tomatoes and the whipped cream is kind of a little different situation if you're using two together. You can use less or more. Look at the color. Once you make it, you'll love this recipe, because I honestly really love this one. Anybody eat it, they loved it. So I'm gonna add a little more because it just tastes good. I'm gonna let it mix for maybe a minute or so. Okay, so our Muttar Paneer is ready. Let's plate it. Okay, here is our Muttar Paneer ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get a notification for my new videos. I appreciate your support. Thanks again for watching. I will see you with the new video. Until then, take care and happy early Halloween.